All right, let's see what we got here. Open her up. First off the bat, we have a nice little pouch. Now this pouch basically contains the AC charge cable for the power block itself. We have a manual. And then inside the box, we have the power block itself. So already like this, flip up top, folds flat, good, easy, makes sort of storage. So that's what we got in the box. 1500 watt, which is a great amount of power. We are going to take it on an adventure, see how it does, see how it performs. We'll keep you posted. The ALLPOWERS 1500 watt S solar generator here that we have. So we'll start off on one of the sides. This side right here, you can see that we have a couple different things going on. This is for inputs for charging. So you have Anderson connectors here for connecting solar panel or whatnot, and then an input as well here that allows you to plug the device into an outlet in your home. So whether you're plugging it in or you have a solar generator or some other means that uses Anderson connector, you're pretty good here. As we come across the front, this is your 12 volt output. So if you want to plug in a cigarette lit type device like the refrigerator or anything that utilizes this kind of connector, there you have it here. As we move around the front, we have 4 AC plugs. So, you know, whatever type of item you want to plug in that utilizes the AC adapter, that's up on the top. The other controls we have here on the front, as you saw before, we have a button here to turn on the display to see where we're at. We also have 2 LED lights turned on with the orange buttons. Good, pretty bright. So both of those LEDs are available here on the front. And then we have 2 buttons here, one to engage the DC power, and all it takes is a little press and hold to turn those off, and one to engage the AC power. And sorry, it's definitely a touch and hold to engage, so sorry I missed it the first couple of times. Just didn't hold it down long enough. And basically once you've turned on the AC power, you can hear the fans kick in. Obviously it'll want to keep the unit cool while it's utilizing them, especially as you plug in. And then to turn off, once again, it's a press and hold, and now that's off. As we turned around this side, for charging or inputs here on this side of the device, you have 3 traditional USB ports. Here's a new USB 3.0 high-speed port. And then we have 2 12-volt DC inputs. So plenty of options here for usage. The back is free and clear. So basically there's controls on each short side and the front in order to satisfy all the devices that you need. And once again, what we like about this too is it has this pop-up handle. It makes it great for carrying, but easily folds flat, and if you have to set something up here, you can. And but no, this is the unit. It really has worked out well. One thing I wanted to call out, as you see and as I've spoken about, we have our ALLPOWERS 1500 watt solar generator. We're solely using that for this trip. And at this point, we're running the fridge. We've been running the fridge for about 36 hours now. And we're sitting at about 85% here. And the display is saying it has 283 hours worth of charge left in it based on however it calculates draw. But no, great, 85% for 36 hours. We'll see how the rest goes, especially after we start charging up some of our other devices. We are taking a look at our ALLPOWERS 1500 watt solar generator. We have not recharged this at all. This has been running our Dometic refrigerator for 72 hours, so 3 full days. It's at about, the dial says 52, the green lines say a little bit more, but yeah, I mean 3 full days and no recharge, and we've actually plugged in a couple of other devices and everything. So far so good. This is working out awesome. All right, so we are back from our trip. We used the ALLPOWERS 1500 solar generator the entire trip, and it has worked out pretty well. So we powered this up, we charged it up. It charged within the recommended time frame from basically 10% all the way to 100%. Took about the 3.5 hours that it noted on the website. We used this was powered on and had the refrigerator hooked up to it for about 4.5 days. We did not recharge it during the trip on purpose, just to see how it worked and how you know, how it held its power. And really after 4.5 days of running our fridge, charging some devices throughout our trip, you can see we're still at about 26%, which is, at this point it says like 113 hours worth of use based on charge and whatnot. But yeah, this has really worked out nicely, and we're pretty happy with the device, and I appreciate your watching. Okay, so ALLPOWERS 1500 watt solar generator. Overall, we took it out on this trip. We really enjoyed it. I think it worked out great. It powered our refrigerator. It charged our devices, as we look forward to. You know, it'll take a few trips, a couple of different usages, different locations, different use cases. So we'll continue to evaluate, but at this point, I am happy with how it went on this first break-in trip, but we'll keep you posted. So thanks for watching. Tune in for future videos on this device or other devices. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, but throw down some comments if you have any questions regarding this device or other things, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.